Let me show you how to set up a Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, we need to open a settings on our device. Then we can navigate down looking for notifications. Here select a Do Not Disturb mode, and that way you'll be able to turn it on and off. Additionally, sometimes you will get this pop-up that allows you to turn it on until you turn it off manually, or you can turn it on for a specific time that you can customize right there. Now let me keep it disabled. Next is you can change the behavior that I talked about a second ago. So you can just pre-made it until you turn it off for a specific time, or it can ask each time you're gonna press on and off switch. Then you can create a schedule where your Do Not Disturb mode will be active automatically. The one that is preset is sleeping, and you can activate it. You can click on the plus button to create your own schedule as well. Next is you can customize what is allowed during Do Not Disturb mode, for example, calls and messages. You can add specific contacts that are able to go through the Do Not Disturb mode. You can activate repeat callers, so if somebody tries to reach you 2 times when you're in Do Not Disturb mode, the third time they're gonna ring, it will come through. Next is app notifications. You can allow different apps to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. Click on the plus button and then select those apps. You can then also adjust different things like alarms and sounds. You can enable alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders. And there's also option to hide notifications, and you can hide full screen notification when your screen is off, or when your screen is on, you can hide app icon badges, hide from notification panel, don't show pop-up notifications, and hide status bar icons. And that is basically everything.